I think my last question will be for you, is what the top, I don't know, 3 mistakes that you've done once you started in crypto industry or financial, right, industry?
Yeah, those are pretty easy. Number one is
Mm.
listening to influencers. You know, it's so easy. It's so easy to get caught up in what influencers are saying, especially in the beginning, because you don't know what you're talking about, and they seem so knowledgeable that you can make a lot of bad financial decisions by just following them. Like, I'll give you a quick one, real quick. When I first got into this space and I started to learn about NFTs, because I would hear Gary Vee talk about it, and Gary Vee he's a good influencer in the sense that he doesn't say, "Hey, do this, do that." He's not pumping things. He's just giving you a broad perspective and helping you now kind of guide you so that you could go do your own homework. And that I appreciate. I'm talking about influencers that are telling you to buy this coin or this NFT specifically, right? Because they're either invested in it or they've been sponsored by the company to promote it. And so I got into an NFT where the guy had like 60,000 followers on Twitter. You know, he seemed like he knew what the hell he was talking about. I was so new to his space, I had no idea. And he was one of the first guys I ever started following. He said, "Look, buy this NFT. It's going to blow up. It's going to be the next Fidenza. Fidenza is very popular in Ethereum." And so I went ahead and I bought it. It was like $450. 2 days later, that guy's account is no longer there. Gone.